Question of the day. What's the ultimate sight reading book? Would it be Paul Harris, Specimen Sight Reading, or Alan Mueller? Stay tuned to find out. Start with the Paul Harris series. Now, as you can see, there are 9 books in the series, starting with pre-grade 1 all the way to grade 8. So, but usually I just start with the blue one. The best part about this series is that you can see that there are stages, different stages, which are planned in a progressive manner, which means that it gets a little bit more complicated as you progress. Go through 2 pages with my student in each lesson. So in each stage there'll be 2 pages, okay? There'll be rhythmic exercises and then melodic exercises, 2 pages. And then you move on to the next stage where there'll be a different focus for every stage. Yes, this is why I like this. Let's move on to Alan Mueller, Joining the Dots. Okay, this is a fairly new series and it also comes in a set from grade 1 to grade 8. Okay, and the content page, look here. It's all the pieces are in different keys. Oh my goodness. Excuse me for this. This is what happens when I don't wrap my book. I tend to spill water all the time. Anyway, so the titles itself are very helpful actually. So it's very similar to the ones in the exam. For the specimen sight reading, it's just there's no chapter focus. So basically it's just an example of what the exam might look like, what you might be tested for in your sight reading exam. To answer the big question, which is the ultimate sight reading book, I think that would depend on which stage of your preparation you're in. If you are in the beginning stage of the preparation, like you have another 6 to 8 months to go, then I would say that the Alan Mueller and the Paul Harris would be a better choice because you are more focused in each stage, in each chapter. So the learning, you can assure that your learning is in a progressive manner. Alright, if you're already quite very near the exam date, then I would say just take this and then sort them out according to keys, alright? Starting with the ones with lesser key signatures and then you gradually move on to the ones with more key signatures. Yeah, so that's my ultimate answer. Word of advice, start early and don't wait until you are preparing for exam to get started with your sight reading, because when the exam date is near, you'll be overwhelmed, or the students will be overwhelmed with all the other aspects of the exam. That's all that I have to share for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Transposition skill. Like all teachers, I like to collect books. Look. I have most of